In this video, we dive into the fascinating history of a beloved Malaccan dish, the chicken rice ball. Discover how this unique dish became a culinary icon in Malacca. Chicken rice ball is a twist on the classic Hainanese chicken rice. Instead of serving the rice as loose grains, it is shaped into compact, bite-sized balls. This unique presentation has made chicken rice balls a must-try when visiting Malacca. The origins of chicken rice balls trace back to the Hainanese community in Malacca. In the early 20th century, Hainanese immigrants brought their culinary traditions to Malacca, including the famous Hainanese chicken rice. These immigrants were integral to Malacca's growing economy, working in various trades and services. Their influence extended to the culinary scene, where they introduced several Hainanese dishes that quickly became local favorites. The traditional Hainanese chicken rice evolved into the unique chicken rice balls through necessity. According to local stories, Hainanese laborers working on rubber plantations and tin mines needed a convenient way to carry their meals. Shaping the rice into compact balls made it easier to transport and eat, especially during long working hours. Another angle suggests that the rice balls were easier to keep warm in the early days, as the compact shape retained heat better than loose rice. This practical adaptation eventually became a beloved culinary tradition. Over time, chicken rice balls gained popularity beyond the Hainanese community. They became a staple in local eateries and eventually a tourist attraction. Today, this dish is not just a meal but a symbol of Malacca's rich cultural tapestry, reflecting the fusion of traditional Chinese cooking with local influences. The process of making chicken rice balls starts with cooking the rice in chicken stock, garlic, and ginger to give it a rich flavor. Once cooked, the rice is molded into small, firm balls. These are then served with succulent poached chicken, a side of cucumber, and flavorful dipping sauces. The key to making perfect rice balls is in the texture of the rice. It needs to be sticky enough to hold together but still light and fluffy. The chicken, meanwhile, is poached to perfection, ensuring it remains tender and juicy. One of the best parts about exploring the history of chicken rice balls is tasting them. The rice balls are perfectly seasoned and the chicken is tender and flavorful. It's no wonder this dish has stood the test of time and remains a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The fascinating history of chicken rice balls in Malacca reveals a journey from humble beginnings with the Hainanese community to becoming a beloved culinary icon. This dish is a testament to Malacca's rich cultural heritage,